Hello, everyone. Thank you. Today marks the culmination of over 10 years of biometric research at Rodenstock. And we're now ready to take the next step in lens calculation and create a new norm within progressive lenses. We're excited to introduce Rodenstock's new progressive lenses powered by artificial intelligence. Thanks to our artificial intelligence technology, we're finally able to make biometric intelligent glasses available to all progressive lens wearers. In doing so, we also realize an ambition we've had since we launched our Big Vision philosophy, to provide big vision for all. To produce big exact lenses, biometric intelligent glasses calculated with exact DNEye measurements, we have measured the biometric parameters of hundreds of thousands of individual eyes with the DNEye scanner. These biometric scans have now become one of the industry's largest biometric datasets. By combining this immense biometric dataset with our artificial intelligence technology, we're now able to make an approximate biometric model of the individual eye and deliver biometric intelligence to more progressive lens users. This marks a breakthrough in lens calculation that will create a new norm for the progressive lens manufacturing industry. That's why we call these new lenses Big Norm. When we first began our biometric research, we faced a challenge, an old norm used in progressive lens manufacturing. An old norm where the only input most lens manufacturers use to tailor the lens to individuals' eyes are the 4 standard prescription values from the standard vision test. Using just these 4 values means that the parameters of the individual eye are not determined. Instead, standard, imprecise values are used to craft the lenses. This fails to take into account the fact that every eye is different in shape and refractive capabilities. Let's now consider eye length. Most lens manufacturers today assume that all eyes are approximately 24 millimeters long and tailor each lens accordingly, even though we know eye length can vary by up to 10 millimeters. Using the more than 500,000 exact eye measurements made with our DNEye scanner, we were able to analyze the data and identify correlations between the biometric parameters of the eye and the standard prescription values. In this case, between individual eye length and sphere. Based on this, we could make a new, more precise calculation for eye length, a new norm in lens calculation. By applying our artificial intelligence technology to determine new, more precise calculations for all of the most important biometric parameters of the eye, we can now form an approximate biometric model of the eye using just the optician's determination of the 4 standard prescription values as input. Thereby, we can enable opticians to realize their full potential and deliver a higher level of biometric precision to spectacle wearers. To find out more about the vision benefits of our new AI-powered lens technology, we conducted a spectacle wearer trial in collaboration with the University of Applied Sciences in Munich. We invited progressive lens users to go through a traditional vision test. We then crafted their lenses with our AI technology, using only this standard vision test as input for the lens calculation process. This is Nora. She's one of the participants from the trial, trying out the new Big Norm lenses. Hello, Nora. You've had your new AI-powered progressive lenses for 3 weeks now. What was your experience with them?
Yes, I have. What struck me immediately was how fast I got used to wearing them. And when I wore them while walking, I noticed how clear my vision was, which really helped me to orientate and focus. When I'm moving through traffic in the morning, I can really feel the difference.
What Nora's experiencing is that her new lenses support her gaze at any angle and through all parts of the lens. This is what biometric intelligence does for spectacle wearers. As she moves through traffic on her way to work, she is constantly using her vision to orientate around her, while her brain picks up the things that require her focus. In this process, she is constantly shifting between the peripheral vision and the focus vision subsystem. This is a dynamic process progressive lenses must support if the wearer is to experience sharp vision and seamless transitions in the lens. With biometric intelligent glasses, we ensure Nora's vision supports her dynamic everyday life. This is the big benefit of artificial intelligence. By crafting the lenses with an approximate biometric eye model using our new AI technology, we can tailor each lens far more precisely than if standard values were used in the lens calculation process. And the vision benefits are clear. To explore the effect of the AI technology, we compared the properties of 2,600 individual AI-powered lenses with the properties of 2,600 standard progressive lenses, crafted using only the standard prescription values. In 95% of cases, the AI-powered progressive lenses created reduced aberrations in the periphery. In 96% of cases, they created a wider progression zone in the lens. In 97% of cases, they created a reduced swimming effect. And in 89% of cases, they created reduced aberrations at far. These results were confirmed in our spectacle wearer trial, where progressive lens users tried on the new AI-powered big norm lenses. When comparing the AI-powered lenses to their standard progressive lenses, 97% of lens users experienced reduced aberrations in the periphery. 94% experienced a wider progression zone in the lens. 91% experienced a reduced swimming effect. And 97% experienced reduced aberrations at far. Through AI technology, we are raising the bar for standard progressive lenses. If we compare the biometric accuracy of these new AI-based big norm lenses with the accuracy of standard lenses crafted with just the standard prescription values, the difference is clear. In 2020, we launched our Big Vision philosophy. Our ambition was to bring big vision to all. While the accuracy and benefits of big exact lenses that are produced with exact measurements from the DNEye scanner are still unparalleled, our new big norm lenses enable us to realize our ambition for the progressive lenses industry. They allow us to start a biometric revolution that will finally make big vision available to everyone, even with standard progressive lenses. Thank you for listening.